Are you looking for the best video doorbell cameras? In this video we will look at some of the best video doorbell cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Eufy Security Video Doorbell Dual Camera. The Eufy Security Video Doorbell with dual camera technology takes home security to the next level. Its innovative porch view camera eliminates blind spots, providing a comprehensive view of your doorstep for enhanced protection. The dual motion detection system, equipped with advanced PR and radar sensors, can accurately distinguish between near and far subjects, reducing false alarms by up to 95%. One standout feature is the Delivery Guard asterisk, which instantly notifies you when a package arrives and offers pickup reminders. This adds an extra layer of convenience and security to your package deliveries. The doorbell also boasts a 2K HD resolution with HDR, ensuring that visitors can be easily identified with detailed clarity. The high dynamic range is especially useful for capturing clear images of visitors backlit by the sun. Number 2. Google Nest Doorbell Security Camera. The Google Nest Doorbell Security Camera is a wired smart doorbell that goes beyond the standard features of a typical doorbell. One standout feature is its ability to differentiate between people, packages, animals, and vehicles, providing customized alerts for the things that matter most to you. What sets it apart is that these features don't require a subscription. With the Nest Doorbell, you can have peace of mind knowing that you can check your video feed 24/7 without the hassle of recharging batteries. The Google Home app offers 3 hours of free event video history, allowing you to review important activities through 2-second previews and 5-minute clips. Number 3. Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. The Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2 is a premium wired video doorbell that offers advanced features for enhanced security and convenience. With head-to-toe HD Plus video, you can get a clearer view of who is at your door, with improved 1536p resolution for a more detailed image. The two-way talk with Audio Plus allows you to communicate with visitors even when you're not at the door. One of the standout features is the 3D motion detection, which provides advanced motion settings to alert you when someone is in your front yard. The bird's eye view feature offers an aerial perspective to track motion around your home and allows you to customize detection zones with bird's eye zones, ensuring you receive alerts only for specific areas. Number 4. Wyze Wireless Video Doorbell Pro. The Wyze Wireless Video Doorbell Pro is designed to provide hassle-free front porch protection with its wire-free and screw-free installation process, taking under 30 seconds to set up. While screws and hardwiring equipment are included for additional installation options, they are not mandatory. Equipped with a 1440 by 1440 sensor, the doorbell offers 33% more clarity than traditional HD cameras, ensuring a comprehensive view of your surroundings. The impressive battery life of up to 3 months means you can enjoy extended usage before needing to recharge, making it convenient for seasonal changes. The doorbell comes with a variety of customizable chimes, offering 20 unique tunes and 8 sound levels. This allows you to choose the perfect chime for your preferences, including the option to use a dog bark to potentially deter intruders. Number 5. Eufy Security Video Smart Lock S330. The Eufy Security Video Smart Lock S330 is a cutting-edge door lock system that takes home security to the next level. It combines advanced features to provide triple security, making it a comprehensive solution for your front door. The integrated 2K HD camera ensures crystal clear visuals, while precise fingerprint recognition offers fast and secure access. Additionally, the inclusion of a video doorbell adds to the overall fortification of your home's entrance. Seamless storage expansion is facilitated by Chime's support for a 128GB microSD card, not included, offering extended video history, enhanced power efficiency, and a reliable Wi-Fi connection. This ensures that you stay informed without any interruptions, making the Eufy S330 an ideal front door lock solution.